Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to be going step by step on every guide that you need to get started with. So ensure that you stay with me to the end of this video and also subscribe to this channel. Then let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we will be looking at spy tools for dropshipping. How to get dropshipping spy tools for free. Top 3 Facebook ads spy tools for dropshipping product research. Best spy tools for dropshipping both for Shopify, dropshipping, and Shopify dropshipping. Dropshipping spy tools are designed to help dropshippers find winning products, analyze competitors, and track market trends. While there are numerous dropshipping spy tools available, here are 25 popular ones, in no particular order. Ensure to click the link below the video to see our top 5 recommended free and paid spy tools. Note that the list on this video are in no particular order. 1. Oberlo. 2. SaleHoo. 3. AliExtractor. 4. Dropship Spy. 5. Niche Scraper. 6. Ecomhunt. 7. Pexta. 8. Pipiads. 9. Sell the Trend. 10. Dropship Me. 11. Dropship Rabbit. 12. Ad Spy. 13. Social Ad Scout. 14. Big Spy. 15. Power Ad Spy. 16. Adplexity. 17. Commerce Inspector. 18. Shopify Compass. 19. Google Trends. 20. SEMrush. 21. Ahrefs. 22. SimilarWeb. 23. SpyFoo. 24. Pipiads. 25. Anstrex. Remember, the effectiveness of these tools can vary based on personal preferences and business needs. It's recommended to explore their features and trial periods to find the ones that align best with your dropshipping goals. Click the link below the video to see the top 5 recommended dropshipping spy tools today. Thanks for watching, subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Thanks.